In breaking updates coming in, viewers, the centre's move to pick the Congress party's Shashi Tharoor as India's special envoy and his graceful yes to the invite does not seem to have gone down too well within the Congress party. The Congress party's Jairam Ramesh came up with a discordant note, and he claims that the government had requested the party to nominate 4 MPs for the all-party delegation, and the Congress had named Anand Sharma, Gaurav Gogoi, Nasir Hussain and Amrinder Singh Raja for the task. Yes, the Congress says that Tharoor was not its pick. The Congress party says that Shashi Tharoor should have consulted the High Command before accepting this proposal. So here is a detailed statement that has come in from the Congress party. Now, this is the Congress's version. At a time when the government is trying to give out the message that on matters of national security and when it's about national interest, we are all united, taking an all-party delegation. Look at what the Congress party is saying. And this is a statement by Jairam Ramesh. It goes on to say, on 16th May morning, the Modi government has asked for 4 names of the Congress MPs or leaders to represent the INC in the delegations being sent abroad to explain India's stance on terrorism from Pakistan. These 4 names were conveyed in writing by the Leader of Opposition Lok Sabha to the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs on the May 16th itself. So the Congress party says that 4 names were asked and these names were given very late tonight, and this is on the 17th of May. They say the full list of members of all delegations has been officially released. Most regrettably, only one of the 4 names suggested by the Congress leadership has been included. So the Congress party upset that among the 4, only one has been picked, and saying that 4 eminent Congress leaders who have been included at the instance of the Modi government will of course go with the delegation. The ANC will not stoop to the pathetic level of the Prime Minister and the BJP. It then goes on to say INC wishes the delegation all the very best, but talking about the fact that Congress party's suggestion was not actually taken. Let me take this across to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, there's a lot of politics that's playing out, and Shashi Tharoor has been extremely vocal. In fact, on the global stage, with several interviews, Shashi Tharoor has set the record straight. He has been picked as one of the names by the government, but the Congress party does not seem too happy with it.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, Shashi Tharoor has been very much vocal at when it comes to our armed forces, and when it comes to the intent of the central government on taking action against terrorism. And clearly it seems that the Congress party was not happy with Mr. Shashi Tharoor expressing his support to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the central government. And that is the reason why the Congress party had given 4 names, which includes Mr. Gaurav Gogoi, Syed Nasir Hussain, and Anand Sharma and Raja Brar. Now, these names were given after consultation with Mallikarjun Kharge as well as Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and Mr. Rahul Gandhi had given this name to the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Now, the Congress party is extremely miffed with the fact that out of these 4 names, only 1 name has been chosen by the central government, that is of Anand Sharma, and rest of the names, which includes Shashi Tharoor, Salman Khurshid and Manish Tiwari, which were earlier announced by the central government. Now, the distance between Mr. Jairam Ramesh, who's representing the Congress party, as well as Shashi Tharoor is clearly widening, because Mr. Jairam Ramesh earlier took a jibe at Mr. Shashi Tharoor, stating that Congress में होना और Congress के साथ होना में जमीन अंतर का फर्क है. So clearly this jibe coming in from Mr. Jairam Ramesh, and Shashi Tharoor also replied, stating that I am not insulted by any of these jibe, and when it comes to national interest, my services is ever ready. And this big statement coming in from Shashi Tharoor shows his intent towards the national security. But the Congress party is blaming the central government of playing dirty politics with mischievous mindset, but also says that the Congress party would not stop these members to go abroad, but it definitely asks these delegations that before accepting the invitation from the central government, they should have consulted the party high command.